can see, there's a slight default with the bottom of the shoe. It doesn't lines up with the heel, the upper part of the heel. As you can see, there's a little hangover, and it kind of throws the looks of the shoes off.